Got a PZ0420 or P0430 code lighting up your dashboard? Before you drop hundreds on a new catalytic converter, stop right there. Most people don't know that a simple $10 fix might solve your problem completely. In this guide, we'll show you two proven DIY methods that could save your cat and your wallet. Try a catalytic converter cleaning additive. The catalytic converter is a device in your exhaust that uses precious metals to convert harmful gases like carbon monoxide and NOx into safer emissions. Over time, it can become clogged or coated with carbon deposits, oil residue, or other contaminants, reducing its efficiency. When that happens, your car's computer triggers codes like P0420, which means catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Despite the scary code, the vehicle might still run okay, though perhaps with slightly reduced power or fuel economy. The driver may also notice a rotten egg smell from the exhaust if the converter isn't working properly from sulfur in the fuel. Pour about a gallon of lacquer thinner into a half-full gas tank and drive the car for approximately 150 miles on the highway. This high-temperature solvent can sometimes burn off deposits inside the converter. Alternatively, buy an off-the-shelf catalytic converter cleaner additive like Cataclean for around $10 to $20 and add it to your fuel. Drive at high speeds to burn off deposits. After adding the cleaner to a low fuel tank following the bottle's instructions, drive at highway speeds for at least 15 to 20 minutes to get the exhaust really hot. Heat helps burn off deposits in the cat. This process, sometimes called an Italian tune-up, can improve efficiency enough to turn off the engine code. You might see the check engine light go off after a few drive cycles if it succeeds. This method won't fix a physically damaged or melted converter, but if your cat is simply dirty, this approach can save the day. After using the cleaner, clear the code with a scanner, or by disconnecting the battery for a while and see if it stays off. If the P0420 or P0430 doesn't come back, your cheap fix works perfectly. Use an oxygen sensor spacer to eliminate the code. This method doesn't repair the catalytic converter itself, but it can trick the engine computer into thinking the cat is working properly, and it costs around $5 to $10. When a converter fails, the downstream O2 sensor after the cat starts to mirror the upstream O2 sensor's readings because the cat isn't storing oxygen effectively. The ECU sees that and flags the efficiency code. An O2 sensor spacer is a small adapter that you screw into the downstream oxygen sensor's hole, then screw the sensor into the spacer. It pulls the sensor tip slightly out of the exhaust stream and often contains a tiny catalyst, or just a smaller aperture. The result is the downstream sensor sees a buffered exhaust sample, typically a bit less oxygen, making the computer believe the catalytic converter is doing its job. For the driver, this means no more check engine light for P0420 or P0430. Install the sensor spacer properly. Buy an O2 sensor spacer, also called an O2 extender or CEL eliminator, that matches your sensor thread, usually 18 mm for most cars. You may get one with a built-in mini catalyst for better results. Install it on the rear oxygen sensor, the one after the catalytic converter. You might need to jack up the car and use penetrating oil to remove the old sensor. Thread the spacer into the bung, then the sensor into the spacer. Make sure it's tight and the sensor wire is safely routed. When you start the car, the computer will now see a steadier difference between the front and rear O2 readings because the rear sensor is somewhat isolated. This often prevents the catalyst code from triggering. The driver likely won't notice any change in how the car runs since the car already adjusts fueling based on the front O2 sensor. Check for engine misfires and oil burning. Catalytic converters usually last a long time, often over 100,000 miles. When they go bad prematurely, it's often due to other issues like a persistently misfiring engine, burning oil, or running rich that can overwork and contaminate the cat. If you have worn spark plugs causing misfires, unburned fuel gets into the converter and can melt or clog it. If your engine burns oil from bad piston rings or valve seals, that oil coats the catalyst and reduces efficiency. Scan for other codes to identify these problems. If you see misfire codes or O2 sensor codes in addition to PE0420, solve those first. Ensure your engine is tuned up with good plugs, coils, and proper fuel trim so the converter isn't being poisoned by ongoing issues. Verify upstream oxygen sensor health. One common cause of PEO 420 on some cars, especially certain Honda models, is a failing air fuel sensor or upstream O2 sensor giving incorrect readings. If the engine runs lean or rich due to a faulty sensor, it can fool the PCM and trigger a false PEO 420 code. Make sure the upstream sensors are in good shape as well before replacing the catalytic converter. A bad upstream sensor costs much less to replace than a converter. Test the upstream sensor voltage to ensure it fluctuates properly between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. If it reads incorrectly, replace it first and clear the codes. This simple fix might eliminate the PO 420 code entirely without touching the converter at all. Perform test drives and monitor results. After any attempted fix, take the car for a good test drive near the conditions when the code usually sets, often steady highway cruising. The engine computer typically needs to see 2 drive cycles with tests to reevaluate the catalytic converter. If after all your DIY efforts the check engine light stays off and the catalyst monitor is ready, you fixed it, or at least convincingly tricked it for around $10. If the light comes back on, unfortunately the converter might be truly worn out, and the precious metals inside may have degraded. In that case, replacement may be the only real fix. But at least you tried the cheap methods first and possibly saved hundreds of dollars on unnecessary parts and labor costs.